Global School. Today I'm making chocolate crunchy balls. The first you need is ingredients. You have Marie biscuit regale, sweet condensed milk, and sprinkles. The first you need is the Marie biscuit regale. You need 5. And then you smash it into a powder. So hard, okay? So it's ask your mom to do it. But it's okay if you cannot do it. You need to practice, okay? Okay, a bit again. You can practice at home. If you cannot, ask your mom to do it or your dad. Or if you cannot do it, that's good. Okay, if there's already in the powder, you add some condensed milk. It's so yummy. You have to make more, okay, the condensed milk, because it's going to be stick. Okay, maybe this is enough. You close it again, like that. You fit it with your hands, like a Play-Doh. Oh my goodness, it's very great. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Awesome. I think you need more. It's going to be. You need the condensed milk. Okay. I think this is already stick together. Until it's already stick, you make it a shape into a ball. Wait, a bit more. Okay, good. It's like a ball. Okay. It's a bit. I think you need more. If you cannot shape it like a ball, it's okay. Because it's very sticky. Okay, like that. And then you put a sprinkle on it. Put the sprinkle. Okay. Put it right there. And you roll it. It's going to be great. Like that. Put it right here. You can add another one. If the sprinkle is not more, you can add it again. Add the sprinkle again. Okay. Like this. You put it. Okay, like that. shape like a ball. You cannot shape it like a ball, it's okay, okay? Very okay. If you can make it small, okay, you can make it small. You can make it big, or you can make it medium. That. Okay. I think I'm medium or big, yeah. Very small and big. If you want big, you can have big. Ask your mom to do it. So here it is. Done! It's done. Good luck, yeah, guys, to make it.